Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In today's video, let's talk about win ratio and risk reward. You must have seen lots of videos and lots of people claiming that they have 90%, 99% win rate. While all you need to do is just go to YouTube and search for 99% win rate, and you'll get thousands of results. Is that really true? And also, you may see lots of people claiming that they made 1000% profit, 2000% profit, and so on. Again, is this true? And yeah, this may be true, but what these people do not talk about is what is the other side of the 99% win rate or 1000% profit. So let's talk about that now. So the win rate and risk reward, and they both go hand in hand, and they should not be presented by itself. For example, if you say 99% win rate, you can have 99% win rate and you can still lose money. Why? Because it also depends on risk reward. Let's say you are risking $1 to make 1 cent, right? So it means that you are to earn $1, to earn 1 cent, you are risking $1 every trade. So let's say if you do this for 100 trades and your win ratio is 99%, and what will happen? So you'll win 99%, 99 trades. So you'll make 99 cents, but you will lose one trade and you will lose $1. So you'll end up paying 1 cent less. So that's why it's always important to speak about win ratio and risk reward, side by side. And similarly, what people who claim that they made 1000% profit and all these things, they do not say is what is their win ratio. So they may be making 1000% profit in 1 in 1000 trades, right? So but they do not say they do not tell about what they have lost. So if you make 1000 profit means 10 times the profit in one trade, and if you lose another 100 trades, then it's going to be, again, you'll be in a loss. So all these measures, that's what I'm trying to say, is all these measures, like percentage of profitability, or the percentage of trades, the win ratio, and also the percentage profit per trade. They are both, by itself, is not something which you need to care about. But what you really need is combination of both. So what I've done is, simple formula here. So this is a formula which is required, which you need to know in order to understand what is the minimum win ratio required, along with the risk reward, to break even. Not for profit. Profit, it can go further high, but it's for break even. What is the risk reward required with certain win ratio for break even, and what is the win ratio required if you have a risk reward in hand for break even. For example, I play this formula again in a Excel sheet to make it easier. So let's take a look at it. Let's say your win ratio is 1%. So I mean that if you place 100 trades, um, you will lose 99 of them, right? So the minimum risk reward required for break even is 99. That means that if for every risk, $1 risk, you should earn back $99, right? So in that case, what happens is you lose 99 trades, you will lose 99, and you will win one trade with the 90, and you'll gain back 99. So it will be a break even. Similarly, I've applied the same formula. If you look at this, 1 by A2 minus 1, that's the same formula which I mentioned here. 1 by W minus 1. W is the win ratio here, win ratio, and it's the risk reward which is required for break even. Similarly, I've applied the same formula for different win ratios, and what is the minimum risk reward required for break even for different win ratios. Um, and similarly, if you have a risk reward in hand, let's say you always trade 1:1. You always want to trade 1:1. You don't want to be too greedy. And let's say you just trade something like a long position 1:1. So you enter at some point, and you're going to risk $1 to get $1. So if this is the case, then what is the win ratio required for break even, that's 50%. Pretty quite very straightforward. You lose 50 trades, we lose one. You win 50 trades, and it will be $1. You will be left with nothing because it will just break even. So similarly, for different risk reward levels, like zero point 0.1, starting with zero point 0.1 to 9.9, I've also mentioned what is the different win ratio required for break even. So if you see that, even with risk reward ratio, even with the win ratio of 9% or 10%, you can still make money if your risk reward is higher. So, a lot of people mainly concentrate on one of these things. That's the point of this video. Point I'm trying to make here is always consider this both of this in combination. So, if somebody claims that they have 90% win rate, just ask them straightforward, what is your risk reward? Somebody claims that they make 1,000% profit on trades. Just ask them what is their win ratio. So if the person is presenting only one side of the story, you make sure you ask about the other side, and to get the whole picture. And that's what I'm trying to say here. Hope this information is helpful. And if you have any questions related to this, please let me know. I'll also add these things in the description, and also I'll add this link to this Excel sheet in the description. Thanks very much. Bye.